Okay, so today we're going to look at how to find the rule for this pattern here. Pattern below you can see is 3, 7, 11, 15, and then it just carries on. So how do we find the rule for this pattern? Well, the first thing we need to do is kind of see, well, what's happening between each term? So, what's it increasing by? So if we have a look here, you can see between here and here, it increases by 4. And it does the same again. And it does the same again. Now, this gives us a clue that it's a linear pattern, which means it's going up by the same amount each time. So if it's going up by the same amount each time, we kind of usually compare it to a set of times tables. So this is going to be like the 4 times tables because the 4 times tables go up in 4s. So here are my 4 times tables. You've got 4, 8, 12, and 16. Now you see this almost match up, but there's a slight difference each time. The difference between this one and this one is we have to take away 1. And it's the same for each of these ones. Each of these times we need to take away 1. So we know this is like the 4 times tables minus 1. Okay, so it's like the 4 times tables minus 1. Now when we write a rule in algebra, okay, we need to know what the number is going to be depending on the term. We could be talking about what is going to be the next term in the sequence, so what is going to be the one that comes next here, or what could be the one in 100 times. What is going to be the term? So here we go. So we use this t to represent the total number in that pattern, okay? And then this little n here is just to show, well, if we're finding the 10th one, we'd make it T10. Next, we need to say kind of how much it's increasing by each time. So we can see that it's increasing by 4. So we're going to put a 4 here, and we follow it with an n. So this is whatever number in the pattern it is, times by 4. So for instance, like 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, and so on. But we know they don't quite match up because we realize we needed to take away 1 from the end to get them to match up. So we just add a minus 1 on the end. Now, how do we check our rule is right? Well, what I can do is say I want to find this 4th term here. Now, we know the answer is 15, but let's just have a go and work it out. So I'm going to go find the 4th term in my pattern, and I know that it is 4. Now, instead of writing n, I'm going to write 4, because it's the 4th one in the pattern, and then minus 1. So 4 times 4 is 16 minus 1, which means T4 equals 15. Well, that matches up. So we've correctly formed our rule here.